Hi lovely kindergartners. Today we are going to be drawing some fabulous birds. As you remember, we started our project in school, so I just wanted to have one finished for you guys so you can do it together. We're going to be drawing 3 birds on one piece of paper. You can use some of the paper I sent you. I have this paper that I sent you, or the manila paper. What we're going to start off with is by drawing our first bird. It's going to be at the top. We are going to draw a circle first, add a nice dot for the eye, draw a little triangle beak. Now we're going to draw a little bump, after that we're going to connect the circle to the line and draw a straight line all the way across. Now we have the bird's body. After we do that, we're going to draw the letter V and connect it to make a beautiful triangle. If you would like to add a tail feather, you can. It's optional. You do not have to do it. You're going to go ahead and draw a little tail feather if you'd like. Now we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to start with our circle for the head. Put a dot for the eye, triangle, draw a bump for the body, connect the circle, the point with a straight horizontal line. Remember, horizontal lines go side to side. The song I sang you at the beginning of the year. Now we're going to draw our triangle. Start with the letter V and connect it. If you'd like to add a tail feather, you can. If you don't want to, you don't have to. Start with the letter V, connect them. And our last birdie, we are going to draw a circle, add a dot for the eye, triangle beak, bump for the body, connect that line straight across. Start with the letter V and connect it. And if you'd like, you can add your tail feather. So now we have our 3 birds, and we need to add some legs. So why not? Let's make some funky long legs for our birdies. Because this is art, we can do what we want. Make some wavy lines that are going horizontally. And what we're going to do after this, if you have a pen or a black crayon or a marker, anything that's dark enough so we can trace our lines. I'm going to be coloring them in with the 3 primary colors, red, blue, and yellow. So once you trace, you're going to color in neatly. I will be posting a little quick time lapse of me doing that. Okay, now that we've colored in our primary colors, red, blue, and yellow birds, I colored the beaks orange. What you're going to do is you're going to get your rainbow order set up, and we are going to put a rainbow in the background. So we are going to be starting with red, then orange, then yellow, then green, then blue, and violet. So now we have our colored pencils. You can use crayons or markers, pens, whatever you have around the house, and we're going to draw a little rainbow in the background. So we're going to start by adding a little bump of red. Next, we're going to add a little bump of orange. Then yellow. Then green. blue, and lastly, violet. Okay. Or another word for violet is purple. But we say violet in art because it's the fancy way to say it. Okay, now that we have our rainbow complete, your masterpiece is done. You are more than welcome to add some green grass on the bottom, add other details. It's completely up to you. Be creative and use your artistic mind. I can't wait to see these kindergartners, and I look forward to looking at them.